Friday. It is Friday, August 20th, 2021, and I just got up. And the reason I just got up is because my husband took my little guy to the post office? To the bus stop today. So I was able to stay in a little bit. So I'm going to make my bed and get to going on my day. I'm going to bring you along today. I have to make a video today. We're going to exercise today. And I don't know what else. I have it in my planner. But I will take you along in my day today. It is Friday, as they say, right? All right, guys. I'll be back to show you what's sold this morning. These cute little girl shoes. They're cute. My husband took about 3 packages for me early this morning because when he leaves, everything that I was able to get ready last night, he'll take them for me directly to the post office. But this cell just came in right now, so I'm going to get it ready. I'm going to protect these little rhinestones. I'm going to put some like eBay, this tissue paper rather, on there to protect that. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but we'll see. Out right now before I and the dog next door before I take my daughter. I'm gonna do 3 miles today. Let's do radio remixes. Let's do this one, 3 miles. She's off. And there she goes. Alright, so it is 7:52 and I'm gonna see what I need to do down here. Yesterday I did most of the laundry that got done yesterday, so I'm just gonna finish it up today. I'm going to put away my rack today, and then these are the stacks of clothes that I separate for all the kids. So I know I have a set of towels in the washer that need to get washed, and let me take my son's towel. I always wash my oldest kid's towel. I don't do his laundry, but I do his towels and stuff. He does his own sheets. It's just for the bathroom towels I do. Okay, so I'm going to put that on. And here I have towels that I did dry yesterday. Oh, they're still a little damp. So let me go ahead and run these a little bit more. That'll be good on delicate. Okay. We'll have that going. doggies. You guys got haircut appointments, I think next Tuesday. See the kitchen. See how this is. All right. Pretty good. A couple dishes I'll do. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to do these dishes real quick, and then I'm going to put these away. All right. I think I'm going to do chicken today. Should be enough. I think there's like 4 chicken thighs, and that should be enough because my little guy is having a friend over for a sleepover tonight. So we're going to get them pizza. And I'm sure my daughter will just have a piece, but usually she just has like a salad. Okay. Let's go look at the living room and see how the living room is. Kitchen is somewhat done. Not all the way. The dishes are done. Everything got put away. We're going to put away that rack. Let's go look at the living room. Let's see. I gotta have my tree. I put little lights on that tree. Oh, by the way, guys, I didn't tell you, this couch right here, this one, this sectional, was given to me by my ex-husband. My oldest rented a U-Haul to get him out here. Oh, and my son got a new car. He got a new car. Toyota Solara. Look at that. He just wanted something to go to and from work. Didn't want anything new or anything because his car, where's his car at? I don't know. It's a Subaru STI and it's just costing him way too much money on gas to go to and from work and school and whatever. So he bought this today. Here's the couches that we got, my ex-husband. They cleaned them, they steam cleaned it for us. And there's still warranty on it. And we can go get the pillows refilled because there's still warranty on it. Our couches that we had were from when my little, Aiden is gonna be 20, so about 21 years old. But we took advantage of the U-Haul because all the furniture that we needed to get rid of, they put it in here in the morning and they took that down to the dump. And then from there they went to my ex-husband's house and picked up the couches. Okay, so superficially, this is how it goes. I have an idea for that. And that plant's going to be moved up a little bit more. It's not right. But this is the couch. These covers that are on there right now, this is what my ex-husband had, and he just gave it to us. So it'll work. That's a workout in itself. This pillow's going. I'll put it here for now. Okay, let me get rid of the rack. Okay, the rack I put in here under the stairwell. So I'm going to put it in here. We got to get to working out because I spent too much time down here. I'll come back down and finish up down here. But I need to work out. This is what I do. And then the day gets away from me and And then I didn't work out. So I'm just trying to leave here the clothes for my kids. Okay, let me take these up. Okay, meet you upstairs. I am ready to go. It is finally 8:22. I'm moving now because I'm starting to warm up my body. 8:22. I'm gonna go do this 3-miler. It's going to be about 47 minutes. 47 minutes. So I'm gonna do this, and next time you see me, I should have already been showered. Hopefully. All right, guys. Be back. Let's go exercise. All right. Oh goodness, look. All my sweat is in my hair. My hair came off the clip, so this is sweat. Okay, I wanted to tell you something that I did in this workout. So this is a video where she does HIIT training. So it's high intensity interval training. That's what it is. And so she does it for 4 times total in this particular DVD, this one. So she does 4, but 3 are more consecutive, right? And they're for 30 seconds that she holds you up high. So my watch tells me my heartbeats per minute. So when we would go high, like run in place and all this stuff, my heart rate went as high as 140 beats per minute. And then she does that for 30 minutes, right? Or I'm sorry, 30 seconds. And then she brings you down, all the way down. And so the lowest 116. And we stayed there for a little bit, and then boom, back up to about 137 to 140 beats per minute. So that's pretty good. That's really good interval training. You know, that heart rate high, heart rate low. It's really, really good. They say it's one of the better workouts to do for women in menopause. Actually, it's actually one of the best exercises to do because it actually burns more calories and you're do a lot less working out when you do these types of trainings, and so you're not over stressing your body. So anyways, I just wanted to come let you guys know. So now I'm going to take a shower. Okay guys, I'm done taking a shower, but I wanted to show you I have a mask on. That's another thing I've been doing. I've been using my masks. I don't know if you guys remember, I told you many, I don't know, I told you guys I'm not a mask person, but I've been doing my masks, and I have one on, and I'm going to talk about it in another video. But it goes on like a green cream, and then you're supposed to like circular motions, like circular, keep going until the mask changes color. And you do that in all the sections, and I think you could tell I have it on. I already took a shower, by the way. I just wanted to tell you, I've been doing that. Yeah, I do it like in the mornings after I work out, take a shower, and then I do it because I'm not good about doing it at night. I don't know, but supposed to do this particular mask 3 times a week. So this is my 3rd time. So anyways, I just wanted to show you that. Okay guys, we're gonna go feed Sir Bentley Duncan. Let's see if we can get him awake. At 10 o'clock every day, Monday through Friday, which is now 10:09, so I am behind. I have to, there's Sir Bentley. I need to turn on his light. All right, let's see. Where is he? There he is back there. There he is back there. You see him? There he is. Sir Bentley Duncan. Okay, let's feed him. And I'm only allowed to give him 4 tiny pebbles. Let's see if I can get him over here. Okay. Pretty much knows when he's gonna get fed. 1, 2, 3. Usually he eats right when I come over here. But today you're not gonna do it, huh? You're not gonna do it today? Come on, Bentley. Come on, eat. There's Sir Bentley Duncan. I fed you already, guy. How pretty that fish is. Look at that. When she first bought this fish, the fins were so, I don't know. You could tell the fish was distressed. We bought him at Petco. There he's eating. Bought him at Petco. I think it was, or PetSmart. I don't remember. One of them. There he is. And his back fins were not like that. Look at how beautiful. You see those fins? Beautiful. Look at that. And then these are live plants. These are live ones. This one's fake, but these back here are real plants. Okay, I'm gonna get ready right now. Oh, let me show you what I'm having. Coffee. And I used the Irish cream with pistachios. I mixed those because the Irish cream, and I'm talking about the skinny mixed drinks, like the syrups that I've been buying. But I mixed it because the Irish cream one is really, really, really sweet. So I like to, oh, sorry, I just sold something. Yay! I just like to mix it. Anyways. I wanted to tell you guys why we called the fish Sir Bentley Duncan, and that is because my daughter lives off Dunkin' Donuts, the coffee, and we used to have we have Starbucks, but then we got Dunkin' Donuts, and that's all. She doesn't like the Starbucks anymore. She'll take it, but she doesn't like it as much. So I thought, oh, okay. So I thought maybe he could be named Captain Duncan or something like that. And she's like, no. But then my oldest came along and he said, no, he's like a Sir Duncan. And then I said, well, I like the name Bentley. And they're like, oh, Sir Duncan Bentley. So that's where it came from. But now we have Dutch Bros. And that's all she'll have is Dutch Bros. Anyways, I just wanted to tell you why the betta fish was called Sir Bentley Duncan. I'm Grandma. I feed the fish Monday through Friday, but I got scolded yesterday because I said Grandma feeds him a couple extra pellets. Now he will eat again. That's not all he eats. And my daughter was like, no, just 4. And you got to give it to him one at a time. And by the way, let me tell you too, those betta fishes, they're a little delicate, right? And they stress out pretty quickly. So my daughter did all kind of research before we even got the fish. We have medication for that fish in case, and she knows everything to look out for on the fin, on the top of the head, around here. She knows everything to look for. Many times we've had taken out that fish, put him in a little container with distilled water, and treat the fish, and we also treat the tank. And we have to always have medication on hand for her fish. She's really, really good. She's really, really good. But I tease her all the time. I always say, why can't Grandma give the fish an extra little pellet? And she's like, no, Mom. No. Anyways, I'm going to go get ready. I'll be back. If I would've known if I just did my haul. All right, so this is what I opted for. So I'm going to have 3 eggs. Do some offers to my customers a moment of missing my mom. So if you're in the mood for the steak,
I'll have the spaghetti with pepper.
Oh, okay.
Gotta tell you the truth, I've got this empty space, and here's the thing about